Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the 12 days of deals at Harbor Freight coming up starting on the 12th, so here in just a couple of days. They've only released leaked a few days of specifics, like the 12th, 13th, and 14th. As you can see, if you look lower on the list, we have up until the 20th, so there is still more coming. It's goes up to the 9th day. But 4 through 9 is just a very generic idea of what the deals are going to be. But the first one up, we got a double deal for the day on the 12th. The first one is 40% off all Icon lights, and the second one being the US General 30-inch four-door service cart down to $150, and that is a limit of one. But let's go ahead and see what they have for Icon lights. So as far as Icon lights, we have the 800 lumen rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar work light. Really short name there. Same thing with the Icon over here. This is the 1000 lumen dual-sided rechargeable slim bar light with UV inspection. So this first one is at $40. 40% off, that's going to bring it down to about $24. That's a really good, it's going to be a good price on all of these lights. So $24 for that, I think, is a fantastic price. The 1000 lumen one down to about $36. Once again, fantastic. The 2100 lumen rechargeable magnetic compact floodlight is going to be down to $33. And I'm not going to lie, I picked one of these up on Black Friday because it was also a really good deal, and I was actually thoroughly impressed. I've always looked at these lights and just thought they were kind of like a cheap plastic, cheap, design light. These things are built pretty dang tough, and they feel really good. I want to go and pick up another, so I might actually be picking this one up as well. And if I can get the 800 lumen, I think that is a great deal, so I'll probably pick up one of those as well. Then we have the Icon Professional Work Center light bar. This is a light for the hutch of a toolbox. I would expect this to be on the same deal because it is one of the Icon lights. I don't even know if you can find these. I don't think I've ever seen them in store though, so I'm not sure. If you guys have seen this actually in store, let me know. But if this is on the list, this will be down to about $72, which I think is a fantastic price for this light. And then they have one other, the underhood work light, 2100 lumens, rechargeable, 77-inch, and this is at $90. So it should bring it down to about $54. So I mean, that's fantastic pricing on all of the Icon lights. The US General 4-drawer service cart down to $150. This is like the best price that you're going to get for this 4-drawer. I know the 5-drawer is like the most popular. I think the 4-drawer is a good service cart. Obviously, I am one that prefers the 5-drawer. I just think I like the little bit bigger. It's a little bit bigger cart, and there's 5 drawers. I like that setup, but I still think this is a really good cart as well. It's just not as popular, but it is available in 8 different colors, and it's going to be down from $230 to $150. I mean, some of the deals that we're going to be seeing during these 12 days of deals are actually probably better than most of the deals that we saw during Black Friday, honestly. So I think that's going to be a really, really popular one as well. And that is for the first day. I'm sure you can pick up both lights and the 4-drawer service cart. I don't think that's going to be an issue. And then the next day on the 13th, we have 2 more deals. We got the Icon locking flex head ratchet with bit set at $25, limit 1. And then we also have buy a 20-volt 5-amp-hour battery and charger kit for $99 or $100. Get a free tool. You have 7 to choose from. You get to pick one out of the 7. I don't know what the 7 are. And real quickly looking at the bit set, this is the one that they're talking about, and it is originally $40 down to $25. Now, I know a lot of people absolutely love this set. I have tons of sets, so I probably won't pick this up, even though it is a really good price. I have plenty of bit sets and stuff, so I don't think I'll be picking this up, but it is a really nice assortment. I think it's priced much better than their larger set. Their larger one is priced decently. I know a lot of people are saying it's overpriced, but it's a convenience thing. It all depends on the type of person you are and the work that you do. If you are somebody that gets a lot of use out of bit sets like this, it's going to be worth the price. If you don't ever use bits, yeah, it's not going to be worth it for you at the original price. This one down here that's $80. It's a good price for the convenience, the size factor, the mobility of it all. for those that will use it. But this at $25 I think is going to be a fantastic deal. I know that's going to probably sell out extremely fast if they're even in stock. And yeah, I think that's a good one. Next up, it's the Bauer 5 amp hour, because I think the Hercules is at like 120. So it is going to be another Bauer deal. As far as the 7 tools, I have here just a list of the 20 volt tools from Bauer that do not include a battery. And I mean, there's quite a few to select from, so I'm not sure exactly what those tools are going to be. You got cordless ratchets, impacts, the pruning saw, an inflator, angle grinder, oscillating multi-tool, caulking gun, blower, vacuum, right angle impact, cutoff tool, reciprocating saw, leaf blower. I mean, there's a lot to choose from, so I'm not sure exactly what those 7 tools are going to be, but the fact that you get a free one, I think that's a really good deal. I'm sure people are going to want a deal similar to this for the Hercules as well. It is kind of disappointing the deals we've been seeing on Hercules, so it would be nice to see some more deals on those. And then for the third day, it's just a single deal, but it's a good one. 40% off all Icon wrench sets. So I mean, there are a lot of Icon wrench sets. 40% off is huge, so a lot of these are going to sell out. Usually they got a pretty, at least my location, they have a pretty good supply of the wrench sets, so I do think they're going to sell out quick, but I think there's going to be a little bit better chance of getting a deal on the wrench sets than you are on like a set like this. So I mean, you got your standard combination wrenches, a little bit longer pattern. Then you got your reversible ratcheting wrenches and extra long double box end ratcheting wrenches, flex heads, non-flex head long double box end ratcheting wrenches. I mean, there's a decent selection of wrenches to choose from Icon. So that's definitely going to be a really big deal, because a lot of these sets, they're actually priced pretty well for the quality range that they fall into. I think they're priced really well. So the fact that we're going to be able to get them almost 50% off is huge. But as you can see down here, they do have more. Now, as you can see, day 4, it's a single item as well, just automotive. I'm not sure exactly what they're talking about. I'm thinking specialty tools, not that. I'm thinking like specialty tools, like maybe the Maddox stuff. I don't know if it's just going to be one specific brand or what. You know, the one that comes to mind for me is Maddox. They have a lot of automotive specialty tools. That's the only thing I can really think of. Maybe scan tools, but I don't know, honestly. Then we have engines, so probably... At first, when I saw engines, I was thinking like the engine hoist, the cherry picker, or the engine stand. But then I remembered that they actually have gasoline engines available at Harbor Freight. I just never look at them. So we're going to probably see a deal on those. Then you got tool storage. I'm hoping that this is the U.S. General tool storage and not like the Yukon tool storage, because I know instead of calling it a toolbox, they call it like a tool cabinet or tool storage. So I doubt we'll see anything on the Icon stuff. I'm hoping it's the U.S. General, but it may be the Yukon. Nothing against Yukon, but I think the U.S. General is definitely going to be the most popular option that people want to see, especially the 56, because it's just priced so well. And I really wish the purple was out already, because I would be all over that deal. Then we have home and security. So sounds like security cameras and that, you know, that one aisle that's just basically the safes, the cameras, the sensors, things like that. Hand tools, so Doyle, maybe some Quinn, Pittsburgh, who knows? I mean, it could just be a variety of all of it, but it's probably going to be one of the ones down from Icon, since we've already got the Icon wrench and Icon lights. It's most likely going to be like Doyle or Quinn or something like that, which still isn't bad. Quinn's got a lot of good stuff. Doyle's got some good stuff. We'll see what that is, and I'll try and keep you guys updated as well as they release more. Lawn and garden, so your cordless stuff, maybe some pressure washers, some leaf blower, you know, your cordless yard tools, things like that. Then you got some welding, so whether that be an actual welder deal or if it's welding equipment, helmets, supplies, things like that. And then generators, so a lot of Predator generator deals going to be going on. But honestly, I think a lot of these that we're going to see, not just the first 3 days, but after that, these are going to be deals that are much better than what we saw on Black Friday. So these are already very competitive and comparable to some of the best deals, if not better than some of the best deals that we saw on Black Friday. So that's it for now. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any more information on this, please let me know down in the comments. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.